Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna be doing the oil change on the Toyota pickup, the yellow one. It's a 8722R, so it's carbureted. And this is the oil that we're gonna go with from Valvoline. And this is the filter that we're gonna use. So let's go over to the truck and start draining the old oil. Alright, so we're gonna go into the truck. And the drain plug is right here, right above the diff. We're gonna use a 14. Hit the 14. And it's gonna suck because it's gonna get all over the diff, but so the oil's really dirty. You see how dark it is? Now that most of the oil is out, we're gonna put the plug back in. Now we're gonna get to this oil filter right here on the passenger side. It's easier to get to it on this truck because everything is cut out. So this is the one that we pulled out, the Fram, and this is the wicks that's going in. It's smaller. I don't know why they use this big one, but it fits. Kind of meshed up the O-ring. It's all good. So we're gonna throw some oil in this one and put it on the truck. We're gonna spray this with some brake cleaner or parts cleaner. Get the old oil out. And now let's top off the oil. It takes 4.5 quarts. And that's it. We just cleaned up whatever spilled. That's always gonna happen unless you have a funnel. And we have funnels, but we just never use them. So hope you guys find this video a little helpful on this 87 4x4 22R. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films. There'll be more videos of this truck coming up, so make sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.